Hi everyone, this is Gayle, and I thought I would do a short video showing you how to, first of all, download a digital from rgavenue.com, and then how to manipulate that as far as duplicating it or changing size or something like that in Inkscape, which is a free program that you can get. So let me first of all, I'm on a Windows platform. So, and I've got RG Avenue bookmarked in on my computer because I'm in there a lot. You'll get to this page and, you know, there's lots of information. There's a picture of the crew there and different things here. But the main information that you might want to get, you would go into Shop. All right, once you get into Shop, you'll scroll down, and then over here on the left are the different things that you would look for. Now, what I think I will do is go into Events, and then you will see Amazing Grace, free virtual class, Bloom Anyway, free class, Concha Life, free virtual class, and Spring Pattern, free virtual class. Now, I'm going to, I've already got these on my computer, but I'm going to go ahead and click on the Spring Pattern, which brings it up on your screen. I'm going to add it to my cart. And this may tell me that I've already purchased this, but we'll see. So I don't have any coupons and it's free anyway, so I'm going to just do proceed to checkout. I'm a returning customer, so I'm going to log in, and there's my login. If you're not a current customer, you'll have to fill this information in. So there we go, and then we place order. So once you place your order, you'll get something on your screen there, and it shows your downloads. So this one is the YouTube link, which will take you to the free class. Let me just show you what that looks like. You have to save it, so I'll just save it under downloads. And I may as well do that too, the digital download, and I'll save that. All right, now what I'm going to do as far as the, let's see, Spring Patterns, this is the document. This is a Word document. And you can see it's got the YouTube link here. You just click on that and it takes you straight to the free class. Depending on when you download it, if the class hasn't happened yet, then it'll just take you to the YouTube page where you can set a reminder. So the other one is going to be this. Now these are the three types of files you'll get. You'll get Spring Pattern Giveaway, which is a PDF file. You'll also get the Spring Pattern JPG and the Spring Pattern SVG document. But for what I'm going to do, I just want to save the Spring Pattern Giveaway. So I'm going to just click on that, extract all. I'm going to put it in a file where I can get to it easily to get rid of it. So I think I'll put it in the desktop. So I'll select that folder. Then I'll just say extract. So it's extracted. And it's going to be on my desktop. Let's see where it is. This must be it. Here's Spring Pattern. And here's the PDF. But I don't even need to open that just yet. Now I'm going to go into Inkscape. So Inkscape is a free software that you download onto your computer, and it allows you to do all kinds of things. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go File, Open, and it's going to go to the last one that I opened. Mine is going to be under Downloads. No, it's going to be under Desktop. And I'm going to file down, and I'm going to find Spring Giveaway, and I'm going to find the Adobe Acrobat document. So I'm just going to double click on that. I don't change any of these settings that's in here because I don't know enough about PDF files, but they work okay if you just leave everything the way it is and click OK. Now, I don't know why mine does this, but it gets little before it gets big. But there's your file. It says 1 of 3 images, but the 1 of 3 is if you purchase the file has 3 different images. Now, you can print it just the way it is like this. You can just do a file print and print to your computer. But I'd like to do some other things. So I'm going to highlight. Didn't go up far enough. I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to delete it because I don't need that. I'm going to highlight. Oh, that's grouped. All right, this will show you. When you click on a picture, you'll see this big dotted line. Now, that means inside that dotted line is that logo and the picture. So that means that these 2 images are grouped together. So what I would do is go up to, you have to select it, go up to Object, and come down to Ungroup. You may have to do this twice. Sometimes it works the first time, sometimes it doesn't. So let me do Object, Ungroup. All right, now you'll see that these lines all changed. All that is, see, all those are all little individual pieces of that picture, but I don't want the logo. I'm just going to get rid of that. Now that's going to leave this, but you can see all those little dotted lines. That means that each little section is a separate part. So in order to get it back to all being in the same picture, let me show you what would happen. If I tried to move this, well, it does because I've got it all selected. But say I went in like that, see only part of it is selected. That's because I didn't highlight everything, and you'll only move a part of the picture. So there, I've got everything highlighted. I'm going to go back to Object, Group, and you see all those little lines disappeared. Now, when I click this, I can move the whole thing. Now, if I want to leave this the way it is, but I want to make, say, 4 of them, I can right-click, copy, click over here, right-click, paste, and there's a second one. Let's say I want a third one, but I want it to be smaller because I'm going to put several of them on one card. So I'm going to paste it again. And then I'm going to come down to this corner, and I'm going to just move the corner up. And that's a good size, I think. And I'll copy that and paste. And copy that and paste. And there I've got 2 big ones and 3 little ones. Now you can continue making them. I'll just show you another little trick. If you want 6 of these little bunny rabbits, you're making a bunch of cards, highlight all of them, copy, paste, and there's all 3 there. So now I put a piece of cardstock in my printer, and I can do a file print. There's my printer, but I'm not going to, I don't have anything in my printer right now. But that would do that. Now, if you want to keep this, if you want to use this maybe next year, next Easter, now see how I just moved that by mistake? If you go up here to edit, undo move, I did it twice. So edit, undo move, it puts it back where it belongs. There's another way to snap it back. I could probably do that, but I would have to look at all these little icons, and I just don't mess with that at this point. So what I would do is I would do a file, save as, and I would put spring pattern giveaway, and then I would put Inkscape. Please excuse me, I'm working one-handed. My left hand is in a brace. And I would do spring pattern giveaway Inkscape. But you see right here, if I don't change this, it's going to save this as an SVG file. SVGs are good. They'll load into just about any cutting machine. So if you have another cutting machine, you can leave it there. I prefer to leave it as a PDF. So if I click this little down arrow, it brings up all the different files. And right there, portable document format, where it says PDF. I'm going to save it as a PDF and save. And that's all there is to it. When you're finished with Inkscape, you hit the escape button and you're all done. But let me go ahead and close out. You can hit the little X right here. It's going to ask you if you want to save it. No, you don't want to save it. When they're asking if you want to save it, they want to know if you want to change the file and save it. But I don't. I've already got it saved as the Inkscape. So now I can just close without saving, and we're back here. And that's all there is to it. So I hope this is helpful to some of you, especially those of you that have maybe a scan and cut or any kind of cutting machine, but you've been afraid to use it. That this might help you a little bit as far as getting your digitals from rgavenue.com and then either making copies, making them larger, making them smaller, and just manipulating them a little bit. Now, there's a lot more sophisticated things you can do in Inkscape, but this is all that I found that I've really needed to do. So I hope you enjoy this. I'll come back again. I've had someone else that wanted to know how to use a scan and cut. So as soon as I can figure out how to get my camera over my scan and cut, I'll do that. So talk to you soon. Bye-bye.